Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program must accept a 5x5 matrix which represents a 12-hour analog clock where the 12 integers are misplaced. Then we must accept an integer h and m where h is nothing but integer pointed by the hour hand and m is nothing but, let us copy and paste, m is nothing but integer pointed by the minute hand. Finally, we have to print the correct time based on the original clock. The program must accept a 5x5 matrix which represents a 12-hour analog clock where the integers are misplaced. It must also accept the integer h and m where h is nothing but integer pointed by the hour hand, m is nothing but integer pointed by the minute hand. Finally, the program must print the correct time based on the original clock. Now let us write the original clock. So star 11 12 1 star 10 star 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 2 9 star 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 3 8 star 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 4 star star 7 here star will be coming, so star 765 star 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 765 star. This is the original clock representation. Now let us check for our test case. In this test case, this is the given clock and the given hour is 8 and a minute is 10. So first we have to find the position of 8 in the original clock, which is hours. So 8 is in the position first row second column and in the original clock it is 11. So 11 will be the hour and you have to find the position of 10. 10 is present in the last row previous column, so 5. So 5 times 5, which is 25, it is the minutes. So 11:25 will be printed as our output. Now let us check for our another test case. First let us see the logic behind it. First we must find the position, and if that position, if call equal to 2, if row equal to 0 means the num will be 2, which is nothing but num equal to 12, else num equal to 6. If call greater than 2, num call greater than 2 for 2, 3 and 4, num equal to row plus 1, else for this column num equal to 12 minus row minus 1. So this is the logic for finding the time in the original clock. Let us see the pseudocode for solving this program. First we must accept the input string matrix, and we must accept another input that is nothing but string h and m, and after getting the input, let us have a variable called har, which is equal to get num of h, and minute is equal to get num of m, where get num is a function which is defined later. In minute, har equal to get num of h, minute equal to get num of m. Here the minutes get num of m times 5 means, for example, if we are having m as 12 means 12 times 5 is 60, but we do not have any hand representing 60, so it should be changed to 0. So we are using a if condition here. If minute equal to 60 means minute equal to 0, and after that condition we are going to print modulo 2d 0 2d to modulo 0 2d, which is in time format, modulo of har comma minute. Now let us implement our getNum function. GetNum function which accepts a num argument integer, and let us iterate over the rows and columns for row which ranges from 0 to row of 5, and for call which ranges from 0 to call of 5. If matrix of row call is equal to num means we have to use the logic discussed here. So let us copy and paste here. And if call equal to 2 and row equal to 0 means we have to print 12. So let us return 12, else we have to return 6. And if call is greater than 2 means we have to return row plus 1. So return row plus 1, else we have to return 12 minus row minus 1. Here call equal to 2, which represents the north or south direction, and if row equal to 0 means it is north, so 12 will be returned, else it is south, so 6 will be returned. If call is greater than 2 means which is greater than second column 2, 3, 5, so it will be returned, else 8, 7, 6, 5, that columns will be returned. So this is the logic.